何人 ?4 人分お米3合。まずはサフランライス。ターメリックライス作ります。でこれね成城石井でわざわざ買ってきたんだけど2分の1しか使わないんだって。大さじチェ。私の一生分のターメリックだよこれ。今日はミラノ風ドリアを作ります。なんか優しくないのか。匂いっていうか色がつきゃいい話なのかね。混ぜて炊くらしい。お米米が黄色くなった。うわー結構黄色いな。これを炊く。これねあんまり美味しく炊けないの。しょうがないんだけどさ。ではまずはお米を炊く。でその間にこれ大さじ2ぐらいだよね。超適当。やばい。溶かしてそこに小麦粉と塩、粗挽きペッパーを加える。生クリーム入れるらしい。ないです。小麦粉を大さじ2入れます。これはねちゃんと分量通りできんね。250忘れないようにしよう。あと100。ミートソースはちょっとめんどくさいから買ってきた。多分ダマはできてない。本当にこれでいいのかな。本当にあと100。しゃばしゃばなんだけどちょっと様子見よう。見てまだシャバシャバ。本当かな。これ大丈夫かな。ちょっと信じられなくなってきた。もしかしたらもっとあったかくなったら大丈夫かな。信じよう。ホワイトソース完成。ほらいい感じじゃない。でお米も炊ける。すごいね。噴火みたいになってる。炊けた。ちょっと蒸らさないと水っぽい。できました。焼くのは友達の家でやろうと思います。着いた。暗くなった。そこにあれがある。よいしょ。はい。久しぶり。
How are you?
Hi.
Come. In maniera compulsiva ormai non smette più ogni tipo 3 secondi. Mi dà tipo
4 places. Nagano, Kyushu, Kyoto.
Wow. So this is for you.
That's it.
You need to add both of them into hot water. Not too not water. 160. Not much water. Like a bowl. Like
160?
Yeah.
160.
Yeah. 160.
Okay, I need
Yeah.
to write that down.
Cheers! Kampai!
Kampai.
Cin cin.
Yeah.
Campari? No.
Kampai.
Kampai.
Ho capito Campari.
Kampai.
Campari.
Not really.
Kampai.
Say Kampai.
Yeah.
Campari.
Campari.
Campari. Ho capito io Campari. Campari is actually from Milano.
Good.
You have to try
Baldrico?
And this.
And this? Yeah.
Okay. Hummus.
Hummus mitai.
What is the third one?
This is
It's
good.
okay. I just wonder. It's like there is something that you say in
Maybe we should put it-
Genovese,
Yeah,
like
I was
in
okay.
City, which is if you put two good tasting
Mama?
things together, they still taste good.
Okay.
Because it was half oily and it was
Yes.
like, blah. And then
I also no pasta.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah,
Rice.
Rice.
And the white sauce, bechamel sauce.
Yeah.
And
Bolognese.
bolognese sauce.
Mm.
So we call Milanese doria.
How?
You're pretending.
Voi ce l'ho. Milanese.
Milanese or Milan style, Milan taste doria. Doria is we created new dish.
Doria. We can also do this.
Thank you.
Uno,
Uno,
due.
due.
Questo qua vuole
Puoi lasciarlo sul piatto di calorie anche, Tre.
Tres. Similar Spanish. Uno,
Yes.
dos, tres.
Now I'm confused, Bianca.
Give one more.
It's the first time that you
I janai,
stay
I janai.
in London.
That's our first time in London
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
Con la coda.
So, then I can give you
Con la
calorie.
coda.
You tell me what you prefer, this
This
or a bigger one, or a spoon, or
Maybe flat one is better.
flat.
Yeah,
Like
flat.
this. This is good. You know, because I say it to Mila all the time, and now she started to say it in general. Carino.
Okay, so this is Milanese. Milanese doria.
Thank you.
But there is no pasta inside, so it's
It's
easy to cut. Yes, yes. Only rice.
I didn't want to get it too dirty. But
How many layers? Is it one like each?
One.
Okay. Bianca, tengo
It's
la
gonna be
viola.
fine.
You can do it. You
You
can
don't-
do
Do
it.
it! Oh, good, 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 good.
Oppala.
Yeah.
Perfect.
E c'è anche
yeah,
uno
of course, it didn't work.
Lovely.
Lovely.
I love it.
Ah, grazie.
Thank you.
Interesting. Yeah, it's very Japanese version. Of
Okay,
lasagna.
Japanese.
Yeah.
It's very Japanese.
It's good. It's good. I like it.
Yeah.
Mm.
It actually, it's like a mix. It reminds me of a little bit of a risotto, but
It reminds me of the hamburger with the rice instead of the bread. It exists in Asia. You have sticky rice bread, sticky rice shape of bread with a hamburger in between.
I like it. For me,
I love it.
It really tastes like lasagna, actually.
Mm.
It's good curry.
Good? Okay, よかった。
yeah,
Mm.
we like it. Thank you.
The cheese is good.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Everything you cook is really nice. Curry.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, same one. In casual restaurant Saizeriya.
Okay.
Also, they cook this in a restaurant as well.
Ah, okay.
But then, do they cook this in Japanese or Italian restaurants?
Japanese Italian restaurant.
Oh, there are restaurants who have like this combination.
Okay.
Ah, okay, interesting. What
There's
other
also-
dishes do they do?
Pasta and the Napolitan.
Yes.
They have a pasta they call Napolitan.
And Japanese style shoyu and butter pasta.
Which you-
よかった。Good one.